All right, guys, market just opened. Um, as you can see, we just manipulated to the downside. I saw an SMT right at these lows over here. Let me just scroll out to the hourly. SMT right here, boom. NASDAQ, we swept out. So it's got me thinking that we want to go higher. So I'm gonna mark out my draws. I think we're gonna probably come up to like right here. I think there's an hourly fair value gap right around there. Let's exit this out. Yeah, maybe like right around here. Hourly fair value gap right here. So I think we're just gonna come up. Now it's just me waiting on that that entry model, that inverse fair value gap. Unless we do take out this low, then that will be different, but I don't think we will. So I will keep a close eye on it. This is New York low. Let's just mark that out. New York low. Mark it out. Boom. Keep a close eye on that. Now I marked out some 15-minute fair value gaps. Right here, boom. This is I think A15 or let me delete that. 15-minute fair value gap, boom, hourly fair value gap. So if anything, I'm thinking we're gonna just retrace back up. We're just manipulating down for right now. So I will be looking for inverse fair value gap entries probably here. If we could just inverse that. If we continue to go down, we're gonna invalidate that SMT. Unless we already invalidated it. Nope, we're already far from it, so we will see. This is the New York low right there. Let's see if we do end up inversing. If we do inverse, I'm going to put my stops at this low, 24073. Not really ideal market conditions. We're still in a bullish, hourly bullish fair value gap, the Trump fair value gap, as I would say. Maybe I'll put my stops right here. I mean, my take profit. London high up here, 24298. Looks like we're already about to inverse it. We tapped into the 15, displaced down, manipulated. We want to go back up. If we're going back up, we're probably just gonna run through it. So I'm gonna do a pre-trade on this one because I don't trust. Well, I don't want to have a bad fill. This is a giant fair value gap. We have the SMT down low. That's pretty much all the confirmation I need. This would be a valid spot to take the trade if we were to inverse this. If not, I'm cool with losing $50 on the day. So I'm gonna take the trade here. And let's see what we do. I think we come all the way back up. And I'll just be doing a drag day today. You know, there's a 15 right here. I'll drag it up to like maybe right there. We have swing highs up here. I'll just keep dragging it. I only have one contract in this, so it wouldn't be ideal for me to set out buy limits. Buy stops. Sell stops, sorry. Sell stops. So we'll see what happens. Got one contract in. If we could just fly to the moon, that would be great. If not, so be it. Guys, it's important to de-risk when you're in tight market situations like this because you really don't know what the market wants to do. As good as your setup is, you don't know what the market wants to do. We're in a bullish fair value gap, but we're still trending down. So that automatically just erases all types of setups. You know, it makes every setup questionable. So you want to de-risk when it comes to market conditions like this. It's too risky to put a lot of money into the market. You know, this is really a bad week to trade, honestly. I shouldn't even be trading this week, but I'm gonna, some trades could go through, some trades could not. But that's why it's important to de-risk, because if you win the trade, cool. It's not about money at the end of the day. It's about high probability setups, A++ setups. If you don't have an A++ setup, maybe you could take that A+ setup, or maybe that A setup, or maybe a B setup. It really depends, on the condition. So it's very important to manage risk. That is a very key skill that you need in order to become good at this trading, because without managing risk, you're not really gonna amount to anything, really. You would just be gambling, honestly. Like, if I wanted to, I can turn this 1 into 5, 10, 20. This whole move could literally be, instead of $17, it could be $2,200, $2,500. But that's not the risk I'm willing to take. So it's all probabilities at the end of the day. All it needs is that one trade for you to smoke your whole account, and now you're done. You're packed up. Take your whole life savings, and now you're done. How are we looking down here? Let me drag it a little lower, because we might have a fake sweep out. I don't trust this. Nope, took me out. That's all right, because I'm willing to risk that money. Willing to risk it. Still up 1,000 on the account. Now we want to start going up, right? There's no draws down here. That's what the S&P's doing. Okay, so this SMT will probably get invalidated soon. If we're coming back into the range. Oh, would you look at that? And now we're coming back up. Horrible market conditions. This is why it's vital. De-risk during these times. Bullish fair value gap, but we still want to go down. If we're in a giant hourly bullish fair value gap and you're not willing to take the risk, don't take the risk. It's not worth it. Even though it might be good for another stab. Oh. Would you look at that? If we inverse this, put my stops right here, 24065. We might just chop around, as a matter of fact. That's what I think. That was probably the manipulation. Let's wait for the retracement back down. Are you gonna get it? Hopefully. Okay, we're leaving. So I'm gonna drag it right here. Buy limit, put it right there. There we go. See what we do. Or should I leave it right here? I think I'm gonna leave it right here. Let the market play out a little bit. I might actually take this to Asia highs. I think we're gonna come up here. We've been consolidating this whole time. So I think we're gonna come up all the way here. This is gonna be a 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 risk reward. Let's see if we end up doing it. one contract. Maybe I should have took it on the S&P. Should have took it on the S&P. Why did I take it on NASDAQ? Damn, I should have took it on the S&P. There we go. Look at that. What are we doing on the S&P? I hope we don't fucking... I don't think we're gonna go to New York PM highs. I should have took it on the S&P. Should have took it on the S&P. Hopefully we can just sweep all these out. Which I think we could possibly do. If we end up coming here, I'll probably bring it to break even, so I don't lose money. Unless we're just in a fucking deep ass retracement. New York PM, no, I don't think we're gonna go all the way up there. We might, actually. We'll see. If we inverse this 15, I think I'm gonna drag it right on top of these highs right here. My stops. don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah. Don't you worry, child. See, heaven got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We are not looking too good right now. We didn't cross London yet. Maybe this 15 is the draw on NASDAQ. Don't tell me we just randomly reverse. Are you serious? I mean, we are on a downtrend. I am fading the trend here. So laptop about to die. Yes, it is. What are we doing, market? What are we doing? Almost at those London highs. I really think I should take this right here. Should have took it on the S&P. Should have took it on the S&P. We're about to have a SMT up here at these highs. If we cross this out and end up tumbling lower, doesn't look like NASDAQ wants to take it. I'll probably drag my stops before I lose any more money than I lost today. Oh shit, I gotta put it on now. Hot spot. Matter of fact, I'm keeping it up here. We're gonna keep it up here. We're not gonna fold and fumble. We're gonna keep it right up here. We're gonna tap right there. Fuck that. $500 on one contract. That's what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be on video. We're gonna do that today. We're gonna completely flip reverse out of this. Take all these highs. Then we're gonna tumble lower. Let me plug in my laptop really quick. Not what I wanted. Okay, OBS. Let's track this over here. Okay, back in business.